Hello everyone, my name is Mawena Dabla and I would like to talk to you about an innovative technology called Edpuzzle. What is Edpuzzle and how does it work? Let's find out. What is Edpuzzle? You choose any video from YouTube, you embed your own assessment question and track your student progress. Why Edpuzzle? Your student watch the video at their own pace. You hold every student accountable, see who is watching and who answered the questions. They won't be able to skip ahead or open other tabs. When do you use Edpuzzle? You can use Edpuzzle in class. Rotation station, individual work, listening comprehension, etc. You can use it for homework, complement your lesson, demonstrate math problem, introduce grammar and vocabulary, prepare for class discussion. You can use it as a review, K-unit concepts, exam study guide, classroom, or lab rules. There are two ways to use Edpuzzle. You can use it in classic mode or lab mode. So in classic mode, students watch the video individually, they work independently and at their own pace, perfect for rotation station or flipped classroom. In lab mode, you project the video in front of the class, students answer on their own device in real time. You get live feedback to spark in class discussion. What type of classes can you create? Classes class, open class. So in the classic class, students need to log in or sign up. Track student progress across all your videos. Perfect if you can live with that video in your lesson, like me. In my French classes, I can live without videos. In an open class, students don't have an account. Students progress one video at a time. It's perfect for demonstration, quick practice, and elementary students. One thing that I really love about Edpuzzle is how I can upload videos or create my own. I can share videos. I use a ready-made lesson from another teacher or YouTube videos, search for any YouTube video and copy it to my content, or I can upload a video, record and upload it in my own teaching videos. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you try using Edpuzzle in your classroom.